Hey, Julie, what's the most unusual thing you've ever eaten?
Well, when I was in Mexico, my friends took me to a really nice restaurant.
Yeah?
Well, usually I start a meal with a salad, but they wanted me to try a local soup. They said it was famous and I had to try it.
Uh-oh.
It was a soup made out of,
Made of what?
garlic.
Garlic?
Yeah, with an egg
Ugh.
floating in it. Garlic soup. Actually, it was delicious.
Really?
Yeah, different, but really good.
Next, Andy.
Hey, Andy.
Hey.
Hey, what's the most unusual thing you've eaten?
Well, one time I had something very strange in Florida.
Uh-huh.
I thought it would taste like fish, like shark or something. But it just tasted like chicken. It wasn't bad at all.
So, what was it?
It was, alligator.
Oh, alligator?
No.
Yuck!
No, it was good. You should try it sometime, if you get the chance.
I don't think so.
Finally, Kurt.
Hey, Kurt, what's the most unusual thing you've ever eaten?
Oh, well, let's see. I was in Japan one time, and it was this really hot day.
Uh-huh.
So I went into the ice cream shop, and there was this, green ice cream.
Oh.
I thought it was pistachio or maybe mint.
It wasn't?
Nope.
Oh, don't tell me it was fish ice cream.
No, it was green tea ice cream.
Oh, well,